सोमारा हलदोणच्या सेंट थॉमस इंगर्जेचे फेस्त भाविकांनी व्हडा उमेदीन मनयले। भाविकांनी संतांचे बेसांव घेवपाक व्हडा संख्येन हजेरी लायिल्ली। ह्या फेस्ताक गांवचे लोक पातोळ्यो हो खासा गोड पदार्थ करतात। आरडेक्स खातीर हलदोणच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस।
Today is a very important day for us, a day of great festivity as the Assumption of our Mother we celebrate today. And we, from her life, can draw a lot of inspiration for our life because she was, though Mother of God, was humble in all her life, and also she was all the time obedient and faithful, though so many troubles and difficulties came on her way, but then she always trusted in God. Secondly, we celebrate, and fortunately today, the independence, 69th independence of our nation. It's a great joyous day for us to celebrate, and with grateful heart we remember the sacrifices done by our great leaders